Hi folks, today we'll be taking a look at how to do LinkedIn automation via Sales Navigator. So primarily you have to hop onto Jeeva's dashboard, go to the bar to your left, go to integrations and look for LinkedIn. So here you need to connect your LinkedIn. You just need to put in your name and put in your LinkedIn credentials. So here we can see that the LinkedIn account is connected. Firstly, you need to go and choose your email and make sure that the toggle for Sales Navigator account is on. You can also set the daily limits for company profile visits, the connection requests and the messaging. Now next you have to go to save configuration and just click on it. So you need to hop on to Sales Navigator and look for lead filters. You can put in your filters according to your priority. I want to go ahead with maybe job title, that is maybe and the industry. So now that you have a curated list of your prospects, you just need to go to the URL tab and copy the same and come back to Jeeva's dashboard. Go to automations and create a new automation. Here you need to look for LinkedIn Sales Navigator and you just need to name the automation and paste the copied link. So you just need to go and hit on save and next. Here you can review the information about your product or services. Also, if you scroll to the very last, you can also exclude some words or phrases that you specifically do not want to put out. And once you're done reviewing it, just go and hit on save and next. So here you can personalize your outreach messages. For example, if I go ahead with template-based customization, Jeeva will create me a gist wherein I can just edit according to my preferences. Here you just need to select some of the settings, for example, outreach type, the outreach language, and sending mode. We have two sending modes, that is focused outreach and automatic sending. As if you talk about automatic sending, the outreach would be done by Jeeva on your behalf. So you just need to go and click on add step and select whatever you want to go for. For example, I just want to go ahead with LinkedIn Connect. So here you can see that Jeeva has given you a template wherein you can just go ahead and edit it according to your requirements. And if you want to follow up on the same, you can just go ahead and click on add LinkedIn follow up. You can choose the wait days. For example, I just want to wait for maybe 1 day, and you can just type in your text or select from templates. So I would just go ahead with template based customization and hit on save and next. And here are some settings that you can set according to your preferences. You can also choose the time zone and the days that you will be sending this outreach along with the timings. Also, you just need to select the email that you will be sending it from, and just you have to review and activate.